If you need to unlink a bank account from your PayPal account, follow these simple steps to do it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Before changing your settings, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once logged in, locate the Wallet option in the top menu. Click on it to access your linked bank accounts and cards. Step 3. Select the bank account. In the Wallet section, you will see a list of your linked accounts. Find the bank account you wish to unlink and click on it for more details. Step 4. Remove the bank account. Look for the option that says Remove or Unlink next to the bank account details. Click on this option to initiate the unlinking process. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to unlink the bank account. Confirm your choice to complete the process. After following these steps, your bank account should be successfully unlinked from your PayPal account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PayPal customer support for assistance.